Vanakkam, Namaskar. This is Gudduchi and Sindil Ilai, Amirdavalli, Sindil Podi and Geloy in Hindi. And we are taking this one herb, and this is sweet basil, sabja seed. It gives sabja seed, basil leaves, sweet basil it is called. 3 liter pache in the Tamil Parval, 3 liter pache, and we have taken something from this. And another one is the Tulsi. Tulsi, this is the this is called Omavalli and Karpuravalli. So we are third one, and this is a fourth one. We are taking the Tulsi, Krishna Tulsi, dark colored Tulsi. It's considered to be more stronger than the normal green Tulsi. So today we are going to make 5 herbs extract to cope up with the outbreak of common cold and flu, fever also. This is Thuduvelai. It's well known for cough. Thuduvelai, it's a flower with leaf, Thuduvelai. So cut it small pieces, Thuduvelai elai, and this is Gudduchi, Geloy, and this is sweet basil, and another one is the Tulsi, Krishna Tulsi, and this is ajwain leaf smell, Karpuravalli. So all 5, wash it and put it in the container, add 1 liter of water and boil it until the water comes down to 1/3 of the thing. So that extract is very good for giving immunity for common cold, viral fevers. So add 1 liter, we are adding 1 liter water, and drink it 15 days once, and then your immunity will be stronger than to fight the common cold and viral fever. Thank you.